Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off the music and sound effects on Grey Garden. For instance, I don't really want to hear all these mice squeaking, which is pretty annoying. I can just go to the settings bar here and I can turn off the sound effects. I think it's going to turn off the sound of the sound effect, but if you still want that like music, I actually really like it. It's relaxing more than like listening to the mice, so I just put that on instead of listening to that. Or you can just fully turn everything off by going back to settings and turning off the master audio. But that is it. You can still hear yourself jumping, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.